The main three things you will need to create a video is a camera that can shoot video and audio, lighting, and editing equipment. If you don't have a high quality video camera or the budget to purchase one, remember you can still use most modern smartphones to record video. Just make sure your phone is in the horizontal landscape format. The next level in video making is using a DSLR camera, which will obviously give you a much higher quality of video. Decide on your budget, and then I'd recommend looking into makes like Canon and Sony to see which cameras they have within your price range. Just keep lenses in consideration, as this will probably be a future investment. No matter what type of camera you are using, you will need a tripod to stabilize your footage. Manfrotto tripods are some of the best tripods you can buy, but if you're using your smartphone to film, you could buy a GorillaPod, which acts as a mini tripod. In terms of audio, you will usually have to use some type of external microphone, as the built-in microphones on most devices, whether a smartphone or professional camera, are not of a high enough quality. Your choice of microphones can include lapel microphones. These are great for talking heads or interviews and are a wireless option. Shotgun or boom microphones are also great for talking heads and interviews, and have the benefit of not needing to mic everybody up. If you're on a budget, you can also think about using an external audio recording device such as a high quality dictaphone. We shall be covering audio in a later video within this course. In terms of lighting, you can get away with natural light by placing your subject next to a window. If you want to purchase lights, I'd recommend using LED lights, as they don't give off a lot of heat. They are dimmable, and it's usually easier to change their colour. We shall also be covering lighting in greater detail later on in the course. When developing video, you also need video editing software to edit together the footage you've filmed. If you're doing screencasts, I suggest using Camtasia, as you can record your screen as well as edit footage. If you're looking for a professional application, I'd recommend Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing and Adobe After Effects for motion graphics and special effects.